How are you guys doing out there? I'm UnrealHero and I am back with another highly requested Razer keyboard lighting design for you guys. I've been receiving a lot of requests lately from viewers that want to see Mongraal's keyboard lighting design. And for those of you that don't actually know what this keyboard lighting design is, he does have the SteelSeries Apex Pro keyboard, and the keyboard lighting that he's actually using on his keyboard is a standard effect called the haze effect. It is a very catchy keyboard lighting effect, but it is also very easy to make on your Razer keyboards. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to make this. There will also be a download link in the description below if you want to go to my website and download it and import it for your Razer keyboards. Without further delay, we are going to get right into this design. This is going to be the Mongraal design. Alright guys, so to make this design, we're going to open up our Synapse program and we're going to make sure that we click on the Studio tab, which is where we do all of our customizations to create lighting designs. So here you'll see all the devices, and as you can see from the display, this is the keyboard lighting design that we are going to recreate for you guys. Alright guys, to start with a brand new design, we're going to click in the top middle at these three dots and we're going to click add. This is going to start a brand new fresh profile. So once you have your brand new Chroma effect pulled up, we're just going to click on the spectrum cycling layer, click the three dots next to it, and we're going to change this layer to a wave effect. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to double click on any of these affected keys and I'm going to hit the delete key. Now I'm going to hold control and I'm just going to scroll wheel in here and focus on just my keyboard for right now. I'm going to highlight all of the available lighting zones on my keyboard and I'm going to click on my color drop down and I'm going to just check this standard wave pattern here. All right. So with this selected, I'm going to start dragging some of these nodes over to the left. I'm actually going to take this purple node right here and I'm going to delete that node. Okay, so we don't need that one. So we just have 6 nodes here. Okay, this first node right here I'm going to make pink, and I think this is a little bit too pink for the design. I'm going to change this to a little bit more of a purple. So I'm just going to click in this little window screen right here and you can drag around and make this whatever color you want in here, but I'm going to make it a little bit more of a purple, something like this. Once I choose the color that I like, I'm going to double click on the hex code here. I'm going to hit Control C to copy that, and I'm going to go to the last node and I'm going to paste in that same hex code there. So we got a purple on the first and the last node. Next, before I change any of the other colors, I'm just going to click off of here and I'm going to change some of my settings up here. Our speed, we're going to set to 12. We're going to change our width percentage to 400%. And our angle, we're going to put at 92. I'm just putting it slightly at an angle. And this is the main properties that we're going to go with for this design. Click back on your color gradient and just working from the left to the right, we're going to make the second node blue. This last node, or the second to last node here, we can also leave blue as well. The third node here, we're going to make red. And then the fourth node is just going to stay the cyan color. This is it. This is all you have to do to make this design. It's really that easy. If you want to apply this effect to additional Razer Chroma devices, it's really pretty easy. What I do is I will select any of these keys that I changed in here. I'll hit Control C to copy that. And if I want it on my mouse pad, I will select my mouse pad here. Okay, so select all my lighting zones for my mouse pad. I'm going to Control V to paste the effect on there. And I'm actually going to do it, paste it twice, because you see it doesn't give me options here on my properties. It's a little bit of a bug in the Synapse program. If I paste it again, it shows me my property values and I'm able to go in and make changes. So you do want to make changes in here because it does, if it's the same as your keyboard, it will mess with the lighting design of your keyboard. So once you paste it in here, click your color drop down and you can make any kind of change you want in here. You can change a hex value by one 1 point, or you can even just grab the node and move it over to the right a little bit. And now it makes it slightly different. And then you just keep doing that on all of your devices. Just Control C and Control V to paste it on like your mouse. I'm gonna make it a little bit different on here. I'm gonna angle it down at 180 degrees so that it goes down my mouse, just like that. I'm gonna do the same thing with my Tomahawk case here. I'm gonna copy what I did on the mouse, paste that on my case, but I'm gonna make it slightly different from my mouse by just changing a node over a little bit. That way it doesn't share the same wavelength with that other device. And you just do this for all of your devices and you'll have a really clean looking haze effect, or if you'd rather, a Mongraal keyboard lighting effect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a good idea of a design that you would like to see on Razer keyboards, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear all of your guys' ideas. Thanks again guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.